In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can actually earn money online by using a skill that I'm pretty sure that you're already using, but you are not aware that you can monetize it. There are people out there who are earning $20 per hour, $15 per hour, even $50 or even $100 per hour using this same skill that I'm going to reveal. I'm pretty sure that you're going to be shocked because you're going to be like, wow, I already have it. I have been developed, but I was not aware that I can earn money with this. Please watch the entire video because I'm going to reveal you everything, okay? All the steps that you need to follow in order to monetize it and in order to earn the most. Hey, hello everyone. My name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can monetize a simple skill. And at the end, guys, I'm going to reveal you another way in which you can earn even more money online if you want to. Are you ready? Let me show you everything. Let me share with you my screen so you can have full details. Okay, the very first website, because we're going to be using a couple of these, it's called Typing Test. Okay, we're going to be doing a quick test right now. As you can see, we can be checking the typing skills. Okay, we can choose to do a test in about a minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on. It can have the easy text, medium test, certificate, trick spelling. We are going to go with 1 minute test and we are going to go with the medium test. It's okay for the purpose of this video. So you're going to click here where it says start test. And as soon as you start typing the very first letter, the test is going to begin. Okay. So it says right now I have 1 minute. It's not getting started because I haven't started to type the very first word. So if as soon as I start it, and please make sure that you are going to be actually paying attention, because if you smell speds just as I did, you are going to be wasting a little bit of time. Okay, so this is my result. As you can see, well, according to this, I type a little bit fast because the average is 36 words per minute. I actually at 50 words per minute. Okay. If you are not getting what you consider a good result, because the result, it depends on you. You know, right now I have like 52 words per minute, but with an accuracy of 96 because I have 2 typo. So it's actually 50 words per minute. There are some tests or actually courses that you can do here by clicking here where it says typing courses. These are 100% free and you can have fun typing. Okay, they do have 14 lessons here, so you can get the most. Okay, if you want to speed up, okay, they do have 7 lessons with the numbers, well, with symbols and so on. So these are free for you to join if you want to speed up your skill of typing, which is the one that we're going to be using. The faster you type, the more money you are going to be earning. Okay, that's something that I want you to take into consideration. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. Also, let me know if the comment area, if you are aware that you can actually earn money by typing. Let me know what's your results. Okay, how many words you can type per minute. And also, I'm going to leave a link in the description with what is my #1 recommendation to make money online. Please make sure that you're going to be clicking that link because I want to make sure that you're going to be earning the most. Now, let me go back to the video. Okay, we're going to be using a couple of websites in order to earn money with this. Okay, the first one, it's called rev.com. Okay, you're going to go to rev.com And these are people who are actually, getting customers every single day. They're looking for people like you who are willing to type to earn. Okay. You're going to be transcribing. Okay. So basically, you are going to be listening or watching the video and transcribing it. Okay. They are actually charging the customer $1.50 per minute. Okay. And you can see here with an accuracy of 99%. And guess who's going to be the professional? You are going to be the professional. So here is it, because they're looking for human transcriptions. Okay. So also, if you understand other languages, okay, you speak more than one language, or at least you can listen to it and you can type it, you can apply to be a global translated subtitle. Okay. And they're going to be charging the customer between $5 to $12 per minute. Okay. You can see here some feedback with some happy customers and some of the reviews. We are not going to be the customers. We are actually going to be the ones who is going to be providing the service. But this is for you to have a certain idea of one of the things that you are going to be doing, because I'm actually going to be, sharing with you more about this. We are going to be here. We are going to be a freelancer. Okay. One of the cool things about Ref.com is the fact that you can work on your own terms. Okay. They do have a community of over 70,000 freelancers. You have the opportunity to get paid by captioning, transcribing, and, typing subtitles. You can work from anywhere. Okay. You can choose the job that you are going to be interested. It's not like they are like, you know, you're going to be doing this, you're going to be doing that. No, you're going to pick the one that you believe you are going to be a good fit. Okay. And you're going to do it. This is not a 9 to 5 routine. You're just here on being a freelancer. So you're going to be clicking here on become a freelancer, and you're going to land on this page. Okay. You will need to fill out a form. So you're going to provide your first name, your last name, a valid email address. I always recommend you guys to separate, these type of gigs on a different email address, so that you know that every single time you log into that email address, it's business related. Okay. So you're not going to miss the information, because, you have a personal address in which you are getting tons of emails, even spams. Okay. So that's my suggestion. One of the things that I also like about ref.com is the fact that you're going to be paying on a weekly basis, and it's going to be paid on PayPal. Here you can see how much money you're going to be earning, and feel free to apply. There is a second way in which you can actually earn, and it's by using the website called TranscribeMe. Okay, you can go to transcribeme.com, and they do have jobs that you can do from home. Okay, you can monetize. They are actually paying what they call the highest paying rate, which is $15 to $20 per hour. Their tops are actually doing $2,200, but on average, people are earning $250. Okay. So this is great if you want to do an extra. You can combine both of those websites, and you can even browse to get more websites in which you can be a transcriptionist. You have the opportunity to grow. You have the opportunity to scale. You're going to be transcribing really short videos, between 2 to 4 minute clips. So if you want to be, at least committed, that ref.com, this is definitely an option. If you're ready to join, you can click here where it says started, and you can fill out the form. Okay. You can transcribe whenever you want. Okay. You don't need to pay anything in advance. And as I told you, these are actually really short videos. You need to put here your first name, your last name, a valid email address, of course, your PayPal account, because this is the way how to actually get paid. Where you're from, your region, your time zone, and if you can translate in other language rather than English. Okay. So you can have the opportunity here, and that's actually how you are going to be earning money by being a transcription. At the beginning of the video, I told you that there's going to be another way in which you can actually earn even more money online. And I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description with what I consider my number one recommendation to make money online. If you're looking, to fire your boss, if you're looking not to do a little bit extra here, but yes, to fire your boss, to live your life in your own term, I'm going to be leaving you the very first in the description with what I consider my number one recommendation to make money online. So you can make money while you travel, you can make money while you sleep, you can live your life in your own terms. If you're considering that, consider clicking the very first link in the description. Also, follow me if you are looking to learn more ways in which you can actually earn money online. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.